Hello kids, how are you? I hope you are very fine. Welcome again to your English classes with teacher Blanca Valencia. The topic for today's class will be a grammar topic. Let's see. We are going to study today the dates, the days, months, and years. Let's begin. Very well. Let's begin. The first thing you have to know is that the names of the days of the week in English are written with capital letters. Let me show you. Now repeat with me. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, and Sunday, Sunday. The working days or weekdays are from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday are called the weekend. Weekend. Very well. And now let's see the dates. Okay, let's see this. In English, ordinal numbers are used for the dates. Generally, months have between 30 or 31 days, but in English, the date is expressed with ordinal numbers, like this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. We usually write the abbreviation like this. The first three numbers, first, second, and third, are different because of the ending of the ordinal numbers. From fourth and on, the ending is with th, right? But then we come again to the numbers here, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and then again with th, 24th, 25th, etc. And finally here at the end of months, when they have 31 days, we say that this is the 31st day of the month. Okay, very well, kids. And now let's see how we write the months in English. The months of the year in English are also written with a capital letter at the beginning. Now let's see the months. Repeat after me, kids. January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, and December, December. There are 12 months of the year. Don't forget to write them always with a capital letter at the beginning. Well, let's continue. And now let's see how is the most common way of asking the date in English. The most common question is like this. What's the date? Or what's the date today? And the answers could be like this. For example, today is September 6th, just telling the month and the date. Or we can also say today is November 20th, 2016. In English, the month comes before the date. Like this, September 6th, November 20. Okay? Let's continue, kids. And now let's see a little bit of grammar when using these prepositions to tell the date. The prepositions we use when we say the date are in and on. When to use in? When we're talking about months. In November, in January. When do we use years? In 2017, in 2020. When do we use on? When we talk about days of the week. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Saturday, etc. And when do we use on again? When we say exact dates. On March 17, on the 1st of November, etc. Very well, kids. Now, let's see some examples. Very well, kids. Look at these examples where we are using the prepositions in and on. Read after me. The course starts on Monday. Now it's your turn to read. Very well. Now the second example. Repeat after me. He works on Saturdays. And your turn. Good. The next sentence. Listen, I was in London in August. And now you. Very good. Next sentence. Susan came in October. And now you. Very good. Next sentence. My birthday is on March 11th. Now repeat. Very well, kids. And the last sentence, listen and repeat. The exam is on the 17th. Sorry, let me repeat again. The exam is on the 17th. Now you. Very good, kids. And now let's see how to express the years in English. Okay, kids. And now let's see how to express the years in English. These are 3 ways you can express the same year. 2013, 2013, or 2013. Where does this come from? We divide in 2 numbers the year, the date. 2013. Okay, and the 3 ways are correct. Let's read them once again. 2013, 2013, or 2013. All right, kids, let's continue. And now let's see how we call groups of years. For example, 1,000 years is called a millennium. Repeat, millennium. And then 100 years is called a century. Repeat, century. And then 10 years is called a decade. Decade. Okay, kids, and now it's time for an exercise. Okay, kids, now it's time for you to take out your classwork notebooks and copy the first part of this exercise. Here we have 5 questions. If you paid attention to the video, the answers will be very easy to find. So please copy these questions in your in your classwork notebooks, and then write your answers. You will check the answers with your teacher in the Zoom classes. First question. Number 1, what day comes before Friday? Question number 2, what month comes before April? Question number 3, how many years is a century? Question number 4, how many years is a millennium? And question number 5, how do you write this year? Very well, kids. You can pause the video so you have enough time to copy the questions and answer them in your classwork notebooks. Okay? And now, let me give you the second part of this exercise. And the last part of this exercise, questions from 6 to 10. Please, kids, follow these instructions. You have to complete with prepositions in or on. Number 1, please copy these questions in your classwork notebooks and answer them before you have your Zoom class. You will check this exercise with your teacher in the Zoom classes. Number 1, blank Tuesday. Number 7, blank June. Number 8, blank April 20th. Number 9, blank 2021. And the number 10, blank September 14th, 2016. I will show you this for a moment. You can also pause the video to have enough time to copy this. Okay, kids, so remember, you will have to write the prepositions in or on before these dates. Okay, kids, in order to check your comprehension of this topic. Very well, kids, and now there are some things you have to remember. We have to use the preposition on for days, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, etc. And also when we talk about dates, on Monday 25th, on November 27th, etc. And now, let's see when to use the preposition in. We use the preposition in before months. In May, in April, in July, in September. And also with years. In 2020, in 2013, in 1977. And this other important thing to remember, kids. We use in English ordinal numbers for the date. We say the 3rd, the 9th, etc. And something really important you should remember is to always write the names of days of the week and months of the year with a capital letter at the beginning. Like this: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. And the months: December, January, February, March, April, May, June, etc. Okay, kids, I hope you liked this video and see you on the next class. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.